Watch for your most dependable forecast.
Well, for this April Fool's Day, a day shaping up very similar to yesterday. However, a little less precipitation coming down across the region, though there will be some. And some of that precip is showing up on radar for us this morning. A little bit of spotty, light snow shower activity coming down across the higher terrain southeast of the city. A little bit more of it down here well to the southeast, in Allegheny, Potter counties, maybe into sections of McKean. And we're seeing this area blossom now on the Niagara Peninsula out over Lake Ontario. And the motion on this seems to be to the south, so some of this eventually will start to work down across the Niagara frontier during the morning hours, but this is going to be fairly insignificant stuff. Let's take a look at the airport observations. Now, with the temperature hovering around freezing or slightly below that, and the fog being locally dense in some spots, there may be some patchy black ice in areas, particularly down here toward Dunkirk. The last report from down there was freezing fog. In fact, we're seeing that at Buffalo right now, so be careful out there. And the fog is going to slow you down, especially along the Wake Shore and some of the higher terrain to the south. Reports of drizzle and snow here at Rochester, a little bit of light snow in the mix down through Wellsville, Bradford, even back to the west at Erie, and freezing fog being reported at Hamilton, some light fog at Niagara Falls. That fog really reducing the visibility in spots. In fact, even at the airport here in Buffalo, we've dropped below a mile now, down to a half mile at Dunkirk and also at Wellsville. So back it down 0 right now at Hamilton if you're heading up toward Toronto. I know you probably don't want to see these pictures anymore, but you have to admit, it's pretty. Gay sent this picture in of the snowfall yesterday down in Franklinville, and also another shot coming in from East Concord from Terry. Thanks for the shots. As we take a look at the forecast for today, well, we have that little mix of some light snow and rain possibly coming down during the morning commute, in addition to some fog and some drizzle. 33 degrees, 37 at noontime. Probably just some liquid precip by that time as the temperatures moderate during the day, and quite possibly some breaks in the clouds very late today, and a temp of 42 at 5 p.m. Super microcast is showing the precipitation kind of scattering out here as we get into the afternoon, and we may see some of those breaks in the clouds late this afternoon in the far western counties, getting into the overnight period, partly to mostly cloudy skies, and then the clouds will tend to fill in again as we get into Saturday, and there's just a chance of a rain shower popping up maybe during the afternoon or the evening, but a lot of rain-free time in there, at least for Saturday. After this goes by the boards, we straighten things up quite nicely for Sunday. Partly sunny skies and a bit milder. Again, watch out for a little bit of spotty snow and rain on the roadways this morning. Some fog rounding the bend there at the western end of Lake Ontario, the Thruway West, and the I-86. Right now, 30 here in Buffalo, also down through Bradford. Your forecast today, patchy fog and drizzle, spotty light snow and rain showers this morning. Maybe some breaks in the clouds later on, at least in the far western counties, and a high temp 39 to 44. Overnight, mostly to partly cloudy, down to 24 to 30 degrees. Tomorrow, mostly to partly cloudy, chance of an afternoon or evening shower, 38 to 43. Then it'll be partly sunny on Sunday, milder, 43 to 47 degrees. A soaking rain could be heading our way on Monday, and much milder temperatures. In fact, there might even be a flood potential in there, too. We'll keep you updated on that.